When it comes to smartwatches, Garmin has always stood out as a company that blends technology, fitness, and lifestyle features in a way that appeals to athletes, health enthusiasts, and everyday users alike. With each release, Garmin improves its design, introduces new tools, and refines the experience. The Garmin Venu is no exception. It represents a major step forward in the Venu series, bringing not only a sleek design but also meaningful upgrades that make it practical, stylish, and highly functional. At first glance, the most noticeable change is its premium stainless steel design. Unlike earlier models that lean more towards a sporty aesthetic, the Venu strikes a balance between fashion and function. The steel build gives it durability while maintaining a modern look that fits in both at the gym and in the office. But design alone isn't what makes this watch stand out. It also introduces a built-in flashlight for the first time in the Venu lineup. This might sound like a small addition, but in daily life, it quickly becomes one of the most useful tools. Whether you're walking in the dark, searching for something under your desk, or out on an early morning jog, this flashlight adds an extra layer of practicality to a smartwatch that already does so much. Setting up the Garmin Venu 4 is simple and user-friendly. To turn it on, you just need to press and hold the top right button for about 5 seconds until the Garmin logo lights up. Once powered on, the watch guides you to connect it with your smartphone using the Garmin Connect app. This process is straightforward. Open the app, follow the prompts, and within minutes, your watch is synced and ready to use. The onboarding experience is designed so even first-time Garmin users can get started without confusion. Once setup is complete, the Venu opens the door to an array of new features and upgrades. One of the strongest aspects of the Venu 4 is its hardware improvements. The stainless steel body gives it both a premium feel and better durability compared to lighter plastic builds. The 1.4-inch AMOLED touchscreen display is bright, sharp, and responsive, making it easy to read in sunlight or indoors. This matters a lot because many users rely on their watches for quick glances during workouts, runs, or while traveling. Garmin has ensured the Venu 4's display remains crisp under any condition. The watch also comes with Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor technology, with ECG electrocardiogram support. This is a big upgrade because it allows for more accurate readings of heart activity and provides advanced health monitoring options. Another notable improvement is the built-in microphone and speaker, which means you can take and make calls directly from your wrist when connected to a smartphone. These upgrades make the Venu not just a fitness watch, but also a capable smart companion. For daily life, Garmin has always been known for its health tools, and the Venu continues this tradition with even more depth. The watch tracks daily steps, intensity minutes, and continuous heart rate, giving you a comprehensive view of your activity. It also monitors resting heart rate, which helps you understand your baseline fitness. One of the standout features is Body Battery, which measures your energy levels throughout the day. It shows how stress, sleep, and activity affect your energy, helping you decide when to push harder or when to rest. A new lifestyle logging glance lets you record daily habits such as coffee intake or time spent working from home. Over time, you can compare these habits with health data like HRV, heart rate variability, and sleep patterns, giving you insights into how lifestyle choices affect recovery and performance. Sleep tracking has also received an upgrade. The Venu now provides a sleep score along with HRV and insights from a sleep coach. It adds new details such as sleep alignment, how well your rest matches your natural rhythm, and sleep consistency, how regular your sleep patterns are. For people looking to improve rest, these insights can be extremely valuable. Additionally, Pulse Ox monitors blood oxygen levels, while nap detection allows the watch to automatically record short rests, helping users better understand their recovery throughout the day. The Venu isn't just about tracking, it's also about helping you train smarter. For the first time in the Venu series, Garmin has introduced training readiness and training status, features usually reserved for its higher-end Forerunner models. Training readiness uses factors like sleep, HRV, and activity to tell you whether your body is ready for intense exercise or if it needs recovery. Training status provides an overview of whether your fitness is improving, maintaining, or declining. Navigation has also been upgraded with breadcrumb trail courses and turn-by-turn directions. This is especially useful for outdoor activities such as running, hiking, or biking where you need reliable guidance without constantly checking your phone. The Venu supports over 80 pre-loaded sports apps, covering activities from yoga and cycling to swimming and even unique options like horseback riding or gaming. A new mixed session activity lets you combine multiple types of exercises in one workout. Ideal for CrossFit or high-intensity interval training, Garmin also includes its fitness coach, which offers personalized workout suggestions based on your activity history and fitness goals. These guided sessions make it easier for users to stay motivated and consistent over time. Garmin has designed the Venu 4 to be smooth and intuitive. Navigation is primarily done through swipes and taps on the AMOLED display. Swiping up brings up the glance list, which gives you a quick view of important stats like steps, sleep, or heart rate. Swiping down shows notifications, while swiping right opens the activity and app drawer. Glances and widgets are customizable. You can add, remove, or rearrange them so the most relevant information is always easy to access. The app drawer includes tools such as a calculator, customizable watch faces, voice commands, and phone features. The control panel allows quick access to essential settings like Find My Phone, Do Not Disturb, or Device Lock. These simple touches ensure that despite having so many features, the watch remains easy to navigate. Beyond fitness and wellness, the Venu 4 shines with its wide range of activities and apps. It tracks everything from traditional sports to lifestyle activities like meditation. The multi-sport option allows users to transition between activities seamlessly in a single workout, which is great for triathletes or mixed training routines. Users can also pin favorite activities, so they appear at the top of the list, saving time. Pre-loaded workouts, covering cardio, strength, yoga, and more, provide instant structure without needing external planning. This versatility makes the watch appealing to both casual movers and serious athletes. The Venu 4 includes several smart shortcuts designed to save time. For instance, pressing and holding the top button opens the control menu, which you can customize to include frequently used options. Holding the bottom button activates the LED flashlight. The flashlight offers adjustable brightness and even a red light mode, which is useful for nighttime without disturbing others. Users can also customize button functions in the system settings, tailoring the watch to their own preferences. Apart from fitness and health, the Venu 4 doubles as a convenient smartwatch. Notifications from your phone appear on your wrist, and with the built-in microphone and speaker, you can answer calls or use voice commands. Contactless payments are supported through Garmin Pay, and you can download music or apps directly via the Connect IQ store. These features make it a complete everyday companion. Not just a workout tool, the Garmin Venu 4 brings together stylish design, durable hardware, powerful health tracking, and advanced fitness tools in one device. The addition of the built-in flashlight, stainless steel body, ECG support, and training readiness makes it more than just an upgrade. It feels like a well-rounded evolution of the Venu series. Whether you're looking to improve health, push athletic performance, or simply enjoy the convenience of smartwatch features, the Venu 4 has something for everyone. Garmin encourages users to explore its features deeply, experiment with health insights, and customize the watch to their lifestyle. From casual wearers to professional athletes, it's built to adapt. For those interested in more details, Garmin's official website and user guides provide deeper breakdowns of each function. The Venu 4 stands as a reminder of how far smartwatches have come, no longer just step counters or notification tools, but comprehensive lifestyle companions that blend health, fitness, and convenience seamlessly into daily life.